Hello? Hello? Okay. What am I doing? I need this. I need this. This. And okay. So let's see. I'll do that later. So it's as a to do. Okay. I need. Well. Yes. Wait. Do I have ringer mode? What if I delete this? What test breaks? Was it Control Shift F10? Which test breaks? Oh wait, these vibrates are already the ints are one. It's just the okay. You can stop. You can stop failing on me. Do I want to use constants? No, I don't need it. I don't need it. I shouldn't have it then. Okay. So that means we have these two. So this one. No. Save volume is down here, right? Right. If it's not ringing, then we don't want to save the volume. But if it is ringing, we want to save the volume. Okay. So that means here we want to do the in order of. We want to have basically volume saver. Volume saver. So this is going to have to go up here. So we want volume saver dot. We're going to set volume default, right? And then we're also going to want over here to stop ringing, we're also going to want a volume saver dot. We're gonna want. Okay, so the stop ringing doesn't matter, so in order doesn't matter, so I can put it down here. But we'll also want a if it's still normal, then we want volume saver dot stop set volume. Right. Well, I guess it's probably better to do highlight control slash. Okay. So that's what I want. Well, this one is easy because I don't have to move volume saver. So let's do that one first. I don't know what, I can't do copy and paste of a previous test because I don't remember my previous test. So it's when it's not ringing, and it's ringer mode normal. Ringer mode set. Is it capped? Is ringer mode capped? Ringer mode. Yes, it is. Okay. Mode normal. Then we want volume saver to set volume to vibrate. Right. That's what we want. So let's see. We can copy this. I'm gonna have a boolean. What do we need? We need this thing. We don't need null checker. We do need switch dot process that one. And so we're gonna need this mock. Let's see what mocks we'll need. Let's take all this. Let's check. Do I need phone state? Phone state. Yes, I need the phone state, and it's going to be normal. Right. Okay. Is this a win? Win is ringing. Turn. Now that looks right. And now let's Control Shift F10. We should see nothing. Should see nothing. No errors. Okay, no errors. So we're verifying that volume saver one time gets volume gets set volume to vibrate. Let's take that. Right, one time. Right. And we're going to create that method. I have it when it creates a new method, it auto generates the to do, so it reminds me, and I can just close it immediately and deal with it later because it's all mocked. Okay, Control Shift F10 should run everything, and I should get an error, right? And of course, the first thing we do. Wait, what? I pushed enter and it took me back. First thing we do is volume saver. And that fix there? Yes, should fix there. Okay. So Control K. It's a test, so T, and then name of the class, which is RingtoneSwitch. Then I guess I can click here and copy this. Set volume, right? Okay. Commit. One warning. Pass null. This is pass null. I can just mock it then. Location. What? Okay. Okay. So it's this null that's doing it, and it's because volume checker is not being passed. There is no volume checker. Okay. So we do volume saver equals mock volume saver dot class. Okay. Wait. This is. Oops. Wait. If I can Control Shift F10 again. Who didn't this fail before? Weird. Okay. So, to mock. F10. Should everything looks good? Probably. Everywhere has volume saver. Control K, I already set the name. Should be no error. Okay, good. Next thing is, well, we don't want it here. So we want copy this. We want it to be a 0 when it is ringing. So ringing will be true, right? Ringing will be ringing will be true. And this should be false. False. Mode false. Yes, okay. So this should really be ringing false. And this should be ringing true, right? Because when this is false, then this statement will be true and it will go in here. Okay. So true, and we'll have 0. Right. Test. Okay. So if this is basically if ring checker dot is ringing, this control shift F10. Do I have to be in here? It's there. Android running test for class. Hotkey. Control Shift R. Okay. Does this work? It's in here. Control Shift R. Replace. How about this? Control Shift R. Other debug. Should be Android Studio. Okay, I guess there's no way around it. Oh, still. So if I do like this, Control S, go over here, Control Shift 10. Okay, it works. Now I can refactor this basically over here. Yes, but we want it to be normal as well. But that will be the next test. Okay, here goes. Okay. Copy this. So ringing should be false. mode should be silent. And there should be 0. Because what's happening is this down here should set the mode to normal when I implement that. So it should be in normal mode. And the only reason it would be in silence is that the user changed it, which they could have a reason to. Yes. Yes. Okay. So if it's silent, we don't want to do anything. And if it's vibrate, we don't care if it turns back to vibrate. And if it's normal, we want to change it to vibrate. Okay. So I'll shift F10. And what am I doing? Okay, this should be silent. And we want to not set the volume. No, it should be false. It should be false. Control Shift F10. Yes, there it is. Okay, now we should do if not. Don't want it to be silent. So the easiest way is to check if ringer mode. So it would be ringer mode not equals audio manager dot silent. Then we move this over here. Okay. And we can, oops, not that. Control Shift F10. Okay, it works. And this is what we want. We don't care about the location. It was wait, if it was normal. Yes. Okay. Wait, run it again. I didn't break anything, right? Okay. So we copy this. Okay. Right. That's good enough. Okay.